What's going on YouTube? Super excited. Just made a dream scene on my laptop. As you can see, there's video playing in the background and I can click on something and it'll play. Show you an example. And it doesn't lag or anything, so it's pretty nice. My desktop's kind of messy right now, but then I'll fix that later. The main reason why I wanted to upload this quick video, it's about quarter to midnight, is to show you my newly jailbroken iPhone. So basically, as you can see here, trying to get glare, but then the lock screen all customized. It's the Twinkle background. As you can see, it starts off with the curtains, the very intro of the girls coming out of the car. Interactive weather. I removed the scroll lock on the bottom to unlock it. Same way to unlock it. And then the home screen is pretty different. The background also moves. This is the time machine from the Japan one, and I have Yoona walking around, slow motion. And it just loops. So the transitions are pretty cool. They barrel over, they flip, they fade, they zoom in, they zoom out. It's kind of trippy. And the main home screen is basically like the HTC weather. So it's pretty nice. But the main reason why I wanted to do this video is I made a video, Ringtone, with the new short that they have, which is beep beep. So here's a little preview of what it sounds like. And I'll show you on the computer what it actually looks like so you get a better view.
Call you right now.